Shalom, Ephesians 4, 1 through 3. I, therefore, a prisoner for the Lord, urge you to walk in a manner worthy of the calling to which you have been called, with all humility and gentleness, with patience, bearing with one another in love, eager to maintain the unity of the Spirit in the bond of peace. We are all encouraged to walk according to what the Lord expects of us. The Lord is never expecting us to be perfect, otherwise Yeshua's death would have been for nothing. But He expects us to walk in humility and gentleness for the sake of unity in the body. We need one another as members of His body if we want to make a difference for His kingdom, as He saved us and called us to work together to humbly share His message of hope and bring Him glory. Humility and love are the trademarks of unity that we all need so desperately while we serve Him. Be blessed.